When working with SolidWorks drawings, the scale of drawing views can be controlled at two levels. You can change the scale of the entire sheet, or you can change the scale of individual views. To change the scale of the entire sheet, right-click Sheet 1 here on the Feature Manager tree and select Properties. I can also access sheet properties by right-clicking anywhere on the sheet in the graphics window. Selecting Sheet Properties will cause this window to appear. You see that among several other properties, including the size of the sheet and the type of sheet format I'm using, I have access to the sheet scale. I'll make a change here and click OK. As soon as I do, you can see that every view on the sheet is now changed. If, on the other hand, you only want to change the scale of one view, simply click on the view to activate it, and in the Property Manager, you will see the Custom Scale option. I'll activate it by selecting the checkbox. Type in a new value, and click the green check to accept the change. Something to keep in mind is that this view is now set to use a custom scale, so when you make a change to the sheet scale, this view will not be affected. To return the view back to the sheet scale, simply click on the view and check Use Sheet Scale in the Property Manager.